if you haven't yet. Align the SCOBY and your kombucha to one of the goals that you have this year for yourself. So think about, so the way that we can do our goals is always, the way that I teach it in my Yummy classes is always thinking about like the biggest challenge you have in your life right now. Whether that is in your career, whether that's in your personal life, it doesn't matter. As long as you think about, okay, what is the biggest challenge that you have right in this period, this phase of your life, and how much does it bother you right now? From a number of like 1 to 10, and then what your desired outcome is. So I am, I feel. So the first 2 boxes you want to fill out. This one is thicker as well.
Do I have to write I am?
Whatever you want, whatever it's going to remind you to be in the state of yummy groundedness. Could be yummy groundedness or yummy groundedness, yummy center. Wow, I love the handwriting we have here. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a photo of all of us with our kombucha SCOBY and the intentions after this. You're gonna smile and or hold it and show me your face and bless it, and then we're gonna do a meditation to activate it. Nice. Very pretty. Are you happy with it?
Yes. Yummily rounded and centered.
Yum. We have a yum in there as well. Good. And then what we're going to do in a moment is we're going to share these intentions with each other. And then we're going to do a little meditation around our mandala, which was beautifully prepared by Jasmine. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to share the intentions with each other. Obviously, this is a safe space, so we're not going to discuss this with anyone else unless, you know, unless you have an absolute need to, but you probably, unless there's like a prior permission.